search for Greenshot download, open this link, and from here we can download the latest version of Greenshot. It is downloaded, and click on the installer to install Greenshot. Follow the steps to install Greenshot. Installation is done, and here you can see the icon. Click on finish, and right click on the icon, and it will open this configuration window, and here you can see what keys you have to use to capture the full screen, to capture the windows, etc. Now we will see how to capture the full screen. You can save the image in PNG file, JPEG, etc. Next we will see how to capture the window. You can save the image.